it's 25% mineral, and they do something actually fantastic where every spool of polyterra filament that's sold, they plant a tree, which is really cool. So not only do you have this renewable bioplastic that's made from corn and sugarcane, but you also have it on cardboard spools, and you also have it being made 25% by weight from minerals from the earth. So it's a fantastic PLA, gorgeous matte finish, and it's something, if you haven't tried it, you should. I think it's reasonably priced, and well, they plant a tree every time you buy a spool of it. So yeah, give it a shot. That's a great question. Is that it? Last one? All right, that's the last question for PLA. Let's move on. Now we have PETG. So PETG stands for, I'm gonna cheat and I'm gonna read it. PETG stands for polyethylene terephthalate glycol, and in the stages of 3D printing, people start with PLA and then they graduate that and they move into PETG. It's like the next step up, but it can be a little bit more difficult to print. This will be interesting to find out what questions we have about PETG. But go ahead, Ms. Zillum, what do you got?
The obvious one, what is the main difference between PETG and PLA?
The main differences are that it's going to require a little bit more heat, so you're going to be around 220, 230, up to 240 to 250 C on the nozzle. It's extremely sticky. It's going to stick to the nozzle. It's going to stick to the heater block. One thing that people don't know about PETG that I think that they, well, at least they overlooked that, PETG is UV resistant. So if you're thinking about printing things for your garden, a lot of people are printing PLAs. But in fact, if they were to print PETGs, yeah, they're going to fare quite a bit better because PETGs are, I can't say naturally UV resistant, but PETGs are UV resistant. And I think a lot of people miss that. PETGs are gorgeous. They also have a lot of different colors, right? So the colors are bright and vibrant. PETG is translucent. So as you can see right there, I'm kind of turning that with the lights there. They just shine and they reflect so beautifully. Let's see, what else?
Price-wise, is PETG cheaper or more expensive than PLA?
It's about the same. You're going to find that PETG is going to be somewhere around probably $15 to $30 a spool. If you're trying to buy a spool of PETG and it's over $30 a spool, that better be a pretty special PETG. Yeah, about 15 to 30 is fair, and there are some really amazing colors that are out there in PETG, so I really recommend that people go give it a shot. Today's printers, today's slicers and profiles, they make it a heck of a lot easier. So yeah, definitely give PETG a shot. Don't be afraid of it. What else? What's another one?
Is PETG food safe? Because I want to make things like cookie cutters.
I knew this one was coming. So I knew this question was going to come because this is a question that comes up all of the time. I mean, it is food safe as far as, yeah, could you eat